Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the value of following. So we have minus 3 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 3 to the power 2, which is equal to minus 3 to the power 2 plus 2. This is because of the exponent law. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is equal to minus 3 to the power 4. And this can be written as 3 to the power 4 since negative base with even exponent results in positive value. This will be equal to 81 because 3 to the power 4 is 81. This is the answer.